Let's see what is this keyword in Java. This keyword refers to the current instance. Let's see an example or the first use of this keyword, which is reference to an instance variable. So we are going to create a class. Actually, in this practical, this is used for clarity actually, or to resolve naming conflicts, especially when the instance variable and the method parameters shares the same name. So let's create a class. Here I'm going to take an example of student class. We are going to create instance variable of student class. So normally when a local variable name is same as that of an instance variable, this keyword is used to distinguish between them by pointing out the instance variable and separating the instance variable from the local variable. Here we are going to create getters and setters. I'm going to use a default constructor. Then we are going to pass the parameter, like I have taken only string name. So you can see instance variable name and local variable are same. So we are going to use this keyword. And then we can use the get method for returning the instance variable. Now inside the main method we can create object of student class, and inside the constructor we can pass the value, and then let's print out the get method. As you can see, let's save the code and run and see the output. So the name is printed. This is the first use of this keyword.